Hello everyone, my shower not working, no water coming from shower. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix this. You can see that shower valve not working. So it's very easy. First open the shower valve cap like this, then unscrew it. It's very easy, no need to call any plumber here. Then remove it like this. Remove it like this. You can see that little washer showing. It's came up from here. I'm showing this. You can see that this is the washer. It's failed from that side. That's why valve not working. So don't need to anybody, just wire it on here. You can see that. Install this. It's very easy. Then you need to tighten the screw. Now wear the cap here and press it. Now check it out, my shower valve working or not. So you can see that my shower valve is now working and shower problem is fixed now. So hope you like this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, comment me below.